Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule a cleanup on Mova E20. To schedule a cleanup, click on three dots in top right corner, then scheduled cleanup, then click on plus, and now select cleaning range to either all or room. When you set it to room, you can choose the map and choose which rooms to clean, then approve. I'm gonna select all, then select starting time. For example, let's set it to 8:07 p.m. Then repeat. You can select which days of the week to repeat it on, or set it to once so it doesn't repeat itself. And then you can change cleaning mode to quiet, standard, turbo, or max, and the wetness to low, medium, or high. Then click here to approve. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.